All right, rebuilt my e-brakes. As always, a pain in the ass. You can see I got a new speed sensor in there, 26 bucks at AutoZone. This is the driver's side. You can see the adjuster arrangement. The adjuster star goes to the top. You can see it right there where my finger is. A couple clips, clip down at the bottom, clip up at the top, 2 springs. Very important with the emergency brake linkage right here. So you see on the driver's side there's an arrow pointing down. Well, there's also an arrow on this linkage right here, and that needs to match it. It points down on this side, it points up on the passenger side. And if you're going to adjust these shoes, which I'm going to now, I'm going to expand them out a little bit so they're kind of tight inside the hat right there of the rotor. On the driver's side, you turn the star wheel clockwise on the driver's side to expand the shoes, and counterclockwise on the passenger side. So we'll get this rotor set up, and then the next thing will be to, I'm going to separate the adapter bracket, clean all that up with a wire brush, get the clips put in, mount it on the rotor, and then put the new pads in and get the rear end squared away here. As much maintenance as I do on this Jeep, I've got a frozen pin right here. So I was able to pull the boot off of it. I'm going to try hitting this thing with some heat right here and see if I can loosen it up. I want to save this, of course. So this is on the driver's side. Saved it. Got all out in there good. Get some grease in there. Clean those tracks out really good. That's where the clips will go. Nice. After the ignition is on, you hit OK. Press OK when complete. Establishing communications with the vehicle. Read and clear DTCs. Read. Implausible left rear wheel speed signal sensor. Left rear wheel speed sensor circuit. Fog lamp, okay. Clear. Okay, clearing DTCs.
So the JDX crew started helping them out. We were able to pull that axle apart. Got Jordan all taken care of. We hours in the morning, I think we're all done. All good for next day.
Okay, you can see that my codes are clear now, so that's good. New e-brakes, new pads. Still missing, I gotta order the driver's side shock absorber. You can see where it mounts right there. That thing's destroyed. I had a frozen pin on one of my guides. I was able to get that apart, loop it up nice. Driver's side got brand new, passenger side got brand new e-brakes, so not bad. All right, Recon One is in the barn. I got her all lined up, got brand new e-brakes in the back, brand new pads. Got everything pretty good back there, so now we're in the go position to get this thing up on its frame and completely disconnect and drop the front axle for truss, C gussets. Obviously, I got to get some new ball joints. I got to contemplate. I'm changing my front inner axle seals are shot on this thing. And I got an offer from Mike maybe to start some work on a re-gear, at least on the front axle. So we'll see. Lots to think about, but she's in the go position anyway. The damage has been corrected after my last trip to Badlands. Well, in addition to repairing or rebuilding the e-brakes on the JK, I was desperately in need of new pads and rotors. Lifetime warranty on these pads, so this is the second time around. This vehicle's got 80,000 miles. First time changing the rotors, 2-year warranty on them. Toughest part about this job was the 16 millimeter caliper adapter bracket bolts. They use freaking red Loctite, man. It was a massive amount of work to get those out, but torqued them up to 110 without Loctite, so Compass has some nice, good brakes now. Get it done before the weather turns foul. It was desperately in need of being done. So a lot of brakes, a lot of good work being done.